This is Vinay Pandey. I have done this project with other three members. My project title is Comparative Analysis of ASTM 1020 and ASTM 1045 under carborized condition. Company we have chosen HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools Limited, Bangalore. With the success of achieved in the initial year absorbing the technology introduction, this project we have selected comparative analysis of 1020 and 1045 under carborized condition. Objective are increase case hardness, code hardness and corrosion rate and behavior of material after and before. Procedure methodology, recognition of the problem, conduction of the experiment, evaluate the result and implementation of the solution. This is a block diagram starting from the material selection, heat treatment, blackening, phosphating and bright chromium plotting to final corrosion test. This is a literature survey. Contents are heat treatment, carburizing, phosphating, blackening, bright chromium plating, hardness test, rubbing, corrosion and metallography. The process in which metal is heated to a certain temperature and cooled to a particular manner to initially alter the internal structure for obtaining desired degree of physical and mechanical strength. This is a tempering. Tempering is the process done sustained quench hardening, and quench hardening is a part to often too brittle. The brittleness caused by periodomancins of martensite. Selection of quenching medium. The quenching medium are of 5 or 6 types: brine, water, oil, special liquid, polymer, quenched, air. Carburizing. Carburizing is a heat treatment process to increase the surface hardness and wear resistance of the components which are required to process fairly good impact strength and resistant to wear in the service. Phosphating is a conversion coating consisting of insoluble crystalline matter phosphatic salt formed in a chemical reaction between the substrate metal. Blackening. Blackening is a conversion coating of ferrous material and stainless steel, copper and copper-based alloys, zinc, powder metal and silver solder. Bright chromium plating. It is a best technique. It is a technique of electroplating. Specification of material ASTM 1020 and ASTM 1045. Hardness testing. Brittle hardness test as per 1500 to 1968. Hardness testing process: switch on the projection lamp switch, fix the appropriate fault predictor in position, and finally according to the material of the specimen. Pin on disc test and its specification. Pin on disc test machine is versatile unit designed to evaluate the wear and friction characteristic on versatile material exposed or sliding contact to dry and lubricant environment. Corrosion test: the salt spray test is a standardized test method used to check the corrosion resistance of the coated sample. Coating provides corrosion resistance to metallic part made of steel or brass. Testing equipments are and its standardization. This is metallography. Metallography is a study of physical structure and component of metals, typically using microscope. The surface of metallography spectrum is prepared by various methods of grinding, polishing, and etching. After preparation, often analyzed using optical and electron microscope. Macro examination and micro examination. Steel react differently to etching reagent because of variations in chemical composition, metal manufacture, heat treatment, and many other variables. Grain size determination. Metallurgical etchants used in plain carbon steel. Observation: ASTM 1020 having low tensile strength, low hardness in raw material condition, has good surface hardness up to 950 HP and good wear resistant. It is poor corrosion resisting property compared to ASTM 1045 steel. ASTM 1045 steel tensile strength and hardness are better than 1020 in raw material. It having lower surface hardness up to 650 HP. It has good corrosion resisting property. Phosphates shown better result than blackening. Bright chromium plated has not. The material component made of ASTM 1020 are suitable for size up to 10 to 12 mm. ASTM 1045 steel having 0.4 to 0.5% of carbon. It has low impact stance property. Thank you.